Recording in progress.
Have you ever tried just like reading your homeowner's policy? The terminology and the phrasing and the information is very confusing at times. So sometimes, you got to look at, how to have someone assist you, like a public adjuster, to help you understand what your rights are in regard to the insurance company. I'm Lisa and I'm with Metro Public Adjusting, and I can help you determine what you are owed by the insurance company. A lot of people don't understand how insurance works because they think things like, your insurance is going to be canceled if you put in a claim, or your premium is going to go up because you put in a claim. But that's not necessarily true. Premiums go up over regions, over areas. The insurance companies have to get permission just to increase premiums over an area. So you can't say that because you individually put in a claim, that's why your premium went up. So that is something that gets thrown around our communities, and people think it's true, but it's really not true. The other thing people don't understand is that when you put in a claim, there is an amount that the insurance company owes you. There are services that the insurance company owes you to pay for. It is not always what you need, it is actually what is owed to you. So if you have a policy and it says that if your house totally burns down, that you will get $450,000 to repair or replace the house. So your limit is up to $450,000, right? But if it only costs $350,000 to replace your house or to repair your house, that's what you're going to get. That is what the insurance company owes you. They owe you the amount to repair or replace the damages. The other people thing that people don't understand about putting in claims, claims are just not meant for catastrophic losses. There are claims in your house now. 80% of Americans have claims. There are claims in your house now, probably you could put in there's damage in your house now that you could probably put a claim in for. There's no restriction on the claim you need to put in, but the real fact is you need to put your claim in as soon as you notice the damage or as soon as the damage happens. That is the best way to go about putting in a claim. You should also understand that when you're dealing with the insurance company, there are keywords that you will say talking to the insurance company that will trigger a denial. But with a public adjuster, we speak the same language as the insurance companies. So if we have a claim for you to put in for you, the insurance companies can't say things to us like, well, that's not true, or we're denying it because you said this, because we use the same terminology as the insurance companies. Our field adjusters are IIRC certified. They have a lot of experience in what they do. They've been in the field for many years, and they can help you. They can help you understand the process. Me as a claims public adjuster, I can help you understand the process as well. There are a lot of things that people don't really understand because most people don't know how to read the insurance policy. Like, what is an endorsement? What is an exclusion? Exclusions are when they're not included in your homeowner's policy. So you can have things in your policy and then you have an exclusion that means it's not included. So you have to be very careful about the language that's in your policy. So, at times if you don't know, you need to ask a public adjuster versus asking the insurance company. Remember, the public adjuster is a consumer advocate who works on your behalf. So if you need anything, you would be more than likely to call the adjuster, the public adjuster, than the insurance company because you wouldn't want a denial going on your record. Because a denial states that you actually still have damage on your house, they're just not going to pay for it. So don't put yourself in those kind of situations by calling the insurance company first. Make sure you have a public adjuster, a licensed public adjuster to help you. There are a lot of people out here selling their services as if they have an adjuster or a public adjuster, but most times they have an independent adjuster. And an independent adjuster works for the insurance company. They don't work for the public. So it's very important that you contact someone like me. My name is Lisa, and I'm your public adjuster. So if you need to contact me, you can contact me at your public adjuster, your claims adjuster, 411@gmail.com. And I'll be willing to explain to you and do a free policy review for you, to explain what's all in your policy. And if there are any gaps, anything you need to change, maybe I could recommend you move and look for another policy. There are a lot of people out here don't understand that those premiums that they're paying or the high deductibles are exorbitant. And a lot of people can't afford to their homes fixed because their deductibles are so high. And unless we explain that to you, you're not going to really understand when does deductible apply, when doesn't it apply. So it's a lot of things that we understand about these policies, like especially dealing with